In the annals of Roman history, one name stands out as a beacon of hope during a time of crisis: Emperor Aurelian. In the turbulent times of the 3rd century AD, Emperor Aurelian's military campaigns and religious reforms left an indelible mark on the Roman Empire. He was a brilliant military strategist, known for his determination and success on the battlefield. Upon ascending to the throne in 270 AD, he faced a fragmented empire. The Gallic Empire, under Postumus, and the Palmyrene empires, led by Zenobia, threatened Rome's integrity. Aurelian launched campaigns to reunify the once great empire, culminating in the decisive Battle of Chelon, where he defeated Postumus and restored Gaul to the Roman fold. But he didn't stop there. His Restituta Orbis policy aimed to reclaim territories lost to invaders. The emperor now turned his attention to Zenobia's Palmyrene Empire, successfully laying siege to Palmyra and bringing it back under Roman control. The foreign queen was brought to Rome as a symbol of victory. Perhaps one of Aurelian's most enduring legacies is the construction of the formidable Aurelian walls. These walls protected Rome from barbarian invasions, strengthening the empire's defenses for centuries to come. But the emperor's impact extended beyond military conquest. Aurelian was also a reformer in religious matters. He was a devout follower of Sol Invictus, the unconquered sun, and actively promoted this sun god, unifying various cults under its banner. To solidify the belief in Sol Invictus, Aurelian inaugurated a grand temple in Rome, underscoring the deity's significance in the empire. Furthermore, he reformed the Roman currency, introducing the aureus and the denarius, which became the standard for centuries. Emperor Aurelian not only restored the Roman Empire, but also reshaped its identity, leaving an enduring legacy of unity, strength, and religious diversity. But sadly, despite his remarkable accomplishments, Lucius Domitius Aurelianus' life met a tragic end. He was assassinated in 275 AD, just 5 years into his reign. The exact reasons for his murder remain a mystery, but his legacy endured. Though his life was cut short, his deeds continue to inspire, reminding us of the resiliency of ancient Rome.